Hello everyone, myself Nandini Ramchandani, a proud Innerville member. I am most honored and humbled to be the president of Innerville Club of Gen Next Nasik for this year. As the president, my vision is let us be a gift to the world. As today we stand on the door of new dawn of understanding, a new period of love and respect, and a new era of valuing each one another. So let's make a pledge to heal ourselves and those around us by committing to something larger than ourselves and by committing to give back in whatever we can do our best for the society. Thank you.
Hi, this is Vibhavari Khot. I am the past president of Innerville Club of Gen Next Nasik. The youth today are facing a lot of challenges. They are under high pressure and at times they feel lonely. Because of this, they get attracted towards a lot of drugs or get depressed. Through Innerville, I would like to work for the betterment of these youth because the youth of today are the citizens of tomorrow.
Everyone, myself Madhuri Mahajan. India has around 60% of youth population, and to take full advantage of this, their skill development and literacy is of paramount importance. Being a teacher myself, I would love to contribute in the field of education. Woman is an important and integral part of our society, but suffers from injustice and violence in many walks of life. Empowering women to face and overcome these challenges and above all to make them self-reliant required contribution from every individual of the society. I would love to work for this cause.
Hi, this is Pratiksha. It's an honor for me to get an opportunity to serve the society through Innerville Club. I would like to work towards 100% literacy in nation for the better future of the country. Also, I would like to spread awareness about clean environment, ensuring that we plant more and more trees, keep hygiene and keep our cities pollution free. Also, I would like to concentrate on women's safety by educating them self-defense practices. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी संध्या साखरे, इनरव्हिल क्लब ऑफ जेन नेक्स्ट नाशिक. मला नेहमीच समाजाकडून भरपूर मिळत आलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यासाठी मी समाजव्यवस्थेत गरीब स्त्रिया आणि गरीब विद्यार्थी यांच्यासाठी नेहमीच काहीतरी करण्यासाठी इच्छुक होते. ते मी या इनरव्हिल क्लबमुळे काही करू शकले. त्यांना औषधांची सेवा पुरवणे, शालेय उपयोगी वस्तूंचे वितरण करणे, कारण आपले भविष्य, देशाचे भविष्य हे मुलांवर अवलंबून आहे आणि ते आपण बळकट केले तर आपला देश नक्कीच सुधारेल असं मला नेहमी वाटतं. धन्यवाद.
We can all make a difference in changing and improving the lives of others while improving ourselves and serving as a role model for our society. It's time to put the community back into the community service. The animals are part of our society also, and many animal shelters and organizations need much help to achieve their missions. So I feel serving animal also part of serving the society. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Mayuri Saukar, practicing gynecologist in Nashik. I always love to serve the society through our Innerville Club of Gen Next, especially during this corona pandemic. My main interest is about health of adolescent girls, and through this club I can reach larger group of girls and educate them about different aspects of healthy lifestyle for the betterment of the society. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Meenal Pallu, Charter President of Innerville Club of Gen Next Nasik. I am convinced that everything comes to us from society, and as Mark Twain said, India is a cradle of human race. It's a birthplace of human speech. It's a mother of human history. It's a grandmother of human tradition and great-grandmother of human values. So, I want to cultivate these human values into the society. And for this, I would like to work for every possible avenue to best of my ability so that we can build a superior society. Thank you.
Serving any community means experiencing anything you want and helping others to do same, encouraging the people to serve the country by choosing any task or subject. Thinking of today's situation not only in our country but all over the world, the threat of COVID-19 is spread. So I must encourage the people to take care, to take precaution, not to afraid of it but to fight against it bravely.
Hello, I'm Anita Shah. I'm proud to be an Innerville member since past 5 years, and I feel the best way we can serve the society is by education. And because education removes ignorance and it helps in improving the life of the people. And because I am teacher, so I feel that's the best way I am serving the society. Thank you.